Hey there, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center here in Boca Raton, Florida. And today I'm super thankful and grateful because I've won the Top Hair Restoration Surgeon Award in the US for the 6th time in a row. And also I've received a Lifetime Achievement Award in hair restoration. Now, I didn't think I was alive for long enough to receive a Lifetime Achievement Award, and I feel like there's so much more to do in the world of hair restoration. But I want to dedicate these awards to my amazing team. Without them, we could not perform all the amazing treatments and procedures and take such great care of our patients every single day here at Bauman Medical. And for our patients, these awards are also for you, and hopefully we can continue to change your lives if you're struggling with hair loss or a scalp health issue.